Hello and welcome to the first episode of our Explore and Tour series on Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this episode, I'm going to introduce Business Central, its capabilities, and why it's important for your customers to consider a move to this solution. Disruptions are reshaping business, requiring that businesses move at an even faster speed, and the only constant is change. What began as accelerating and converging technologies has become accelerating and converging markets. The business model changes of the last decade are nowhere near the changes that are coming, and game-changing innovation begins in the business model, not the product. Coupled with this is the fact that market volatility is making business as usual business unusual, and since the global pandemic there is simply no steadfast norm. SMB leaders are facing labour shortages, rising wage growth, multi-generational workforce challenges, along with a mindset shift where people are fundamentally thinking differently about how, when, and where they work. People want transparency, accountability, and connection across their business. And if a company fails to innovate and adapt, they'll be overtaken by more forward-thinking competitors. And now more than ever, leaders of small and mid-sized businesses need to ensure that their people are enabled to deliver on customer expectations, no matter where they are or what comes next. Traditional SMB financial management systems don't allow for rapid change. 20% of SMBs will cease operations by 2025 because they simply cannot pivot fast enough to digitize their operations to meet customer demands. 73% of employees want flexible hybrid work options, and 76% of CFOs are dissatisfied with cross-functional collaboration to bridge the gap between operational and financial planning. Traditional small business accounting systems inhibit growth and make it difficult to adapt to disruptions and rapid change. They're manual, inefficient, and error-prone, and they bog down employees, hindering their operational effectiveness and preventing them from focusing on more strategic work that could help the business grow and expand. This often leads to frustrated employees, low profit margins, higher employee turnover, and increased costs. But with the power of collaborative applications from Microsoft, you can connect your entire small or medium-sized business in a single solution, Dynamics 365 Business Central. Business Central is a comprehensive business management solution that helps small and mid-sized companies connect their finance, sales, service and operations teams within a single, easy-to-use application. You can accelerate deployment and adoption with step-by-step onboarding guidance, contextual next best action intelligence, and interoperability with familiar Microsoft 365 apps. You can confidently move to the cloud to optimize digital business processes and unlock the insights needed to adapt faster, work smarter, and perform better. With every day and every minute bringing something new, be equipped for what's next and unlock limitless possibilities with Business Central. On the screen here, you'll see a list of Business Central capabilities. Note that service management and manufacturing are only available in Dynamics 365 Business Central Premium. No other vendor offers the breadth of the Microsoft Cloud while continuing to be modular and extensible, so Microsoft customers can start with what they need today and adapt as they grow. Also, Business Central runs on the Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform, which means your customers can benefit from multi-layered, state-of-the-art security across physical data centers, infrastructure, and operations, with security features like multi-factor authentication, data encryption, regulatory compliance, and more. And you also benefit from a team of more than 3,500 global cybersecurity experts that work together to help safeguard the business assets and data in Azure. Thanks for joining us in this first episode of our Explore and Tour series on Dynamics 365 Business Central. Tune into the next video in the series to understand what the partner opportunity for Business Central is.